Let's dive into division 94 divided by 2. Ha super math stars. If you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any awesome math adventure. Alright, let's start dividing 94 by 2. We'll tackle this one divot at a time. We look at the first divot of 94, which is nen. We're going to use this divot for now. How many tums does 2 fit into nen? Let's count by 2's 2, 4, 6 it. That's 4 tums. Now let's multiply our answer 4 by the divisor 2. What's 4 times 2? We put the it under the nin and subtract. Nin minus it equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing great. We found the first part of our answer. Now let's bring down the next divot, 4, to gain the remainder 1, making it 14. Get ready for the next step. Welcome back to our next step. We have the number 14 to work with. We brought down the 4 from 94 and placed it next to the remainder 1, creating the number 14. Now how many tums does 2 fit into 14? Let's count by 2's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's 7 tums. Let's yak or work, multiply 7 by the divisor 2. What is 7 times 2? It's 14. Now subtract 14 from 14. What do you get? 0. We have no remainder left. You nailed it. We're almost done and you're doing fantastic. Since there are no more divits to bring down, we've reached the end. Our final answer is 47. So 94 divided by 2 is 47. We thus learned how to divide 94 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step makes even big numbers easy peasy. Great job, mathletes. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. Yak out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.